Ecology and economics are like a railway track. They run parallel to one another but never meet. Whenever we think of development, there is always destruction. How much destruction is tolerable is a big question to ecologists and environmentalists. For a very long time, both state and central governments are planning to convert the existing National Highway number 66 from 2-lane to 4-lane highway. A section of this road passes through Karmal Ghat, which is part of Western Ghat, regarded as one of the richest biodiversity hotspots in the world. Karmal Ghat is a home of wild animals such as leopards, bisons, wild boars, deers, snakes, peacocks, etc. The proposed road that passes through the thick forest of Karmal Ghat is believed to be about 45 meters wide, and it will result into cutting of 14,471 trees, which accounts to about 30 hectares of land from Pendude in Kepe Taluka to Nagarse in Kanpur. Because of such a massive destruction, the local NGO Goenka and the nature lovers of Kanpur have been demanding a tunnel similar to Konkan Railway, which is a genuine demand of the people of Kanpur. According to one technical report, tunnel is possible, but economics may become a hurdle in the construction of the tunnel. In that scenario, what we have to do or what option do we have is a big question. So before we think on this option, first let us look at the topography of Karmal Ghat. Karmal Ghat section is approximately 5 kilometers long with 38 bends of different natures. The highest elevation of the road is about 150 meters above mean sea level at Kepe Kanpur border. At many places, small hillocks have been cut and exposed, and the present length of the road is about 7.5 meters. In a 4-lane scenario, an ideal highway will be 9 meters by 9 meters, meaning the left of the highway is going to be 9 meters, the right of the highway is going to be 9 meters, and the divider will be about 5 meters. And there will also be a service road at some places which is going to be about 7.5 meters, and the highway will have a road berm of 3 meters on either side. In this scenario, a total width of the highway comes to about 44-45 meters. I think in Karmal Ghat section, we don't require a 4-lane highway, but we need 3-lane highway, which should be just about 11 meters wide with 2 meters of road berm on either side. Along highway in Karmal Ghat, there are many stretches where 2 to 3 meters of land is available on either side of the road. Similarly, hillocks at many bends have been already cut, partially cut, and if they are further dressed, a lot of land will be available. This would meet the requirement of 3-lane highway. Now please remember, the best option in Karmal Ghat to protect ecology is the tunnel. Apart from my suggestion of converting 4-lane highway into 3-lane highway, I have 2 more suggestions to offer. If possible, instead of cutting trees, they may be removed and relocated to another area where vegetation is very sparse. My second suggestion would be, tree plantation drive must be carried out at the time of commencement of the project, not after the completion of the project, so that when the project is completed, trees have already grown and they have already started giving benefit to the environment. By doing this, I am very sure that he will be causing minimum damage to the local ecology and environment